Your TikTok audience isn't just for views and enumerates your next customer base. And here's how to turn that engagement into a full-blown print-on-demand business. First, you need your foundation. Create a free account on Printify, your print-on-demand partner, and then set up your TikTok Shop Seller account, which requires a standard TikTok account. Step 2 is product selection inside Printify. Browse their catalog of items like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs, and choose a high-quality, popular product that fits your niche. Now add your unique value. Upload your custom designate. Could be a catchy phrase, your logo, or original art, and use Printify's tool to place it perfectly on your chosen product. Step 4 is listing your product. Go to your TikTok Shop dashboard, create a new product, and use the high-quality mock-up images generated by Printify for your listing photos and description. This is the most critical step. Marketing. Film engaging TikTok videos showcasing your product. Do a reveal, talk about the design inspiration, or show it being used. This content directly drives sales. When someone buys, the order details go straight to Printify, who prints, packs, and ships the product directly to your customer, leaving you to focus on creating more content and counting your profit.